Hey guys, what's up? A very good morning and welcome back to another daily market outlook. So starting off with EURUSD. EURUSD is currently in supply and saw a push in towards the downside. However, no real follow through inside of that area of supply. So why is this? Well, today we have CPI news, which is red folder news on the US dollar, meaning that we're going to see a very big impulse come somewhere today. So overall, we can see that we're just ranging. So we're currently at the 75% mark. If we just go in towards the 15-minute time frame, you'll just see it a little bit more clear. So what you can very obviously see is that at the moment and at this point in time is that the 75% mark acting as resistance, 25% mark was acting as support. So I was looking for a potential short inside of that area of supply as I was looking for follow through in price. However, as you can very clearly see, price is currently waiting for CPI news. So overall, what I'll be looking for is to see what happens to this overall swing high over here. Are we going to see a close above that swing high? If yes, then potential for further upside. If not, we might just grab liquidity and then start tanking in towards the downside. So that's what we're mainly waiting for. We're going to try and identify if we're going to see a candle close above that 4-hour high. Now going in towards the dollar index. The dollar index at the moment is just still pushing down. As you guys know, we need to break this high over here. If we just quickly go into the daily, that is our daily fractal high. So we want to see that high broken if we want to see bullish continuation. At this point in time, no continuation yet. The overall order flow is pretty much just bearish. So still looking for further downside unless we are able to break this high over here. Going in towards AUDUSD. What are we seeing over there? Well, starting off on the daily is still bullish. So yeah, overall still looking for further upside. For the rest, not much again. Overall, this was the fractal high and the swing high as well. So we took out that swing high as we can see over there. So meaning that we could now start tanking down lower again. But again, we're waiting for CPI news today to know and understand what we can expect. Overall, target for Aussie dollar, if we do move up higher, is 0.68. That is kind of like our area of supply. For the rest, you're just going to be waiting to see what happens with CPI news. Obviously, we've had a daily and a 4-hour BOS, so a correction is kind of due in towards the downside. Also, a lot of liquidity building up beneath these lows. So if we do, in fact, kind of like see a sell-off, then obviously we're going to be looking to trade this in towards a sell before the buy. Now going in towards pound dollar, so GBP USD, what are we seeing over there? So yeah, yesterday I was looking for potential short inside supply, but again, guys, we do need confirmation if we are going to be actually taking a sell. As we can see, the entire time just higher highs and higher lows, so no kind of like sell confirmation to get into any potential short over there. So what are we now waiting for and what are we expecting? Now obviously we've kind of come in towards this overall swing high over here. We have not yet closed above it, but if we do close above it, then I think, if I am correct, no, you won't have a break of structure yet because the overall swing high is still this high over here, and this is your swing low on the 4-hour. So this might just be kind of like a liquidity grab, but overall it's kind of looking like we're going to push a little bit higher in towards this daily area of supply. Yeah, it's looking more bullish than bearish at the moment. But that is that. If we're going to be looking for a potential shorts, I don't really see any kind of like indicator that we can get in yet. You would want to see kind of like a change of character before getting into any short, or just obviously a break of the structural low to really get into any short. So therefore, for now, just longing it in towards that higher supply zone. NZDUSD is inside this area of demand. So yeah, looking for a potential pullback play, at least in towards this buy before the sell, before looking for any potential further sell-off. Going in towards the daily time frame, daily is just consolidating, but there is still room for it to push down lower again. If we do move up higher, then obviously this will be our target, 0.62271. And last of all, gold. What can we see from this pair? Still ranging, not much going on at the moment, as we can see over here. So we're just kind of like in the middle of the range, 25% mark active as support, moving in towards that 75% mark. Overall, what I'm looking for is for us to reach that higher area of consolidation over here on gold and the overall follow through. We've seen a 4-hour change of character on this high. We pulled back in towards the sell before the buy. and we've moved out again. So now looking for follow through in towards the upside. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Wish you all a fantastic day and speak soon.